Hello everyone, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. I hope everyone is going great. Today we are going to talk about the CGX, the gaming community platform, which was found in 2020. It is a gaming platform on which you can do online tournaments, online gaming. It's simple. And for it, you can also do on mobile and many other games such as PC games, Call of Duty and many more. It has also investment from Binance Labs, and it's gonna airdrop in the Q4 of this year. So you have to do the quests such as social quests and linking accounts, Twitter, Google, XYZ. Then you will get points if the points tasks are closed. So you should do some tournaments, some common mobile games such as PUBG and many more. So you can also get the XP point by doing that, and you have also had to link more accounts that you can get airdrop in higher value. And it has almost 1 million users on this platform, and it have a lot of good airdrop amount in there locked. So as we can see, the project has a good potential, and it has a lot of hype, and it is one of the famous project in the gaming currently. And they are going to soon launch their coin. They have announced in their roadmap, so don't miss this project. You can also do tournaments. You can do tournaments in the tournament section. You can join them, and you can also check out their homepage, but make sure you are going on the right page by the URL. It is also in the description. The link is description, so don't worry about it. And here we can see they have a lot of investments by the chains, by Binance and many more. And there is also a second thing, the version 2 testnet of Tabby has also launched. You have to collect these tickets to get a node, mini node. It will help you to earn. And there is Xcoin also airdropping on Gate.io. You have to complete their form, and then you can get that.